Hello Namaskar job seekers and welcome back to my channel. I am Sudhir Chand Jain, a highly experienced engineering and management professional with over 52 years of expertise, including 12 years dedicated to placement and placement-oriented training. My goal is to bridge the gap between industry requirements and job seekers' needs by offering straightforward guidance in easily understandable language. Today, I'll be sharing invaluable guidance for candidates gearing up for government jobs. Your opportunity for success in government job exams should not be squandered. Don't waste your chance to get success in matching suitable government job opportunities. Preparation for specific job which are finalized through competitive exams needs to be designed and adapted so that you get success in such competitive exams. Success in job-oriented competitive exams means you make your position in merit list. It is seen that all fresh job seekers rush to apply for such lucrative jobs. But please understand that all freshers are not designed for all jobs. Your knowledge level, your understanding with your knowledge, your desire to work, your communication skills, your nature of sharing responsibility and your attitude towards accountability, your attitude and lastly your aptitude, all these factors combined together predict your suitability and probability of selection for that particular job. Therefore, I advise you to understand level of your preparations and then apply for a particular competitive exam to come in merit list. Develop understanding as above and avoid disappointment and wasting suitable opportunities. _circle this will help you to avail other matching suitable opportunities. I wish you the best of luck in achieving the perfect job match for your success.